Would you explain a little bit deeper about the quality of eternal peace and how that can benefit a person?
Peace is when your energy is calm and still. You're going to have deep relaxation like that. And eternal peace means peace eternally. So that eternal peace quality will start to move your being towards that. So when you're disturbed in your life, negative emotions come up and it reside in your body. So it's constantly cleansing those negative energies, and it's constantly bringing you towards peace and calm and tranquility, compared to like anxiety and depression and things like that.